What's the meaning of caustic? Caustic. Caustic.
Caustic. Caustic. The term caustic refers to a substance or material that can corrode or burn through other materials upon contact. Caustic substances can be highly reactive and dangerous, causing damage to surfaces and harm to living organisms. Exposure to caustic materials can result in chemical burns, irritations, and even blindness. Additionally, caustic materials can cause damage to the environment if not handled properly. It is crucial to handle caustic substances with care and to take proper precautions when using them in order to avoid any negative impacts.